Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are diving deep into the cozy world of English country home interior design. In this video, we are bringing you a whopping 100 ideas to inspire your own home makeover. Get ready to transform your space into a charming retreat that's straight out of English countryside. Embrace the warmth of wood accent throughout your home, whether it's hardwood floors, exposed beams, or rustic furniture. Woods add a touch of natural elegance. Incorporate natural materials like stone and brick for a timeless, rustic feel. These elements bring texture and character to any room. Bring the outdoors inside with touches of floral patterns. From wallpaper to upholstery, floral prints add a cheerful garden-inspired vibe to your space. Create focal points in each room to draw the eye and anchor the space. This could be a grand fireplace, a statement chandelier, or a stunning piece of artwork. Mix and match furniture styles for an eclectic look that feels lived in and curated. Pair antique pieces with modern finds for a balanced blend of old and new. Choose soft, muted color inspired by the English countryside. Think soft greens, pale blues, and buttery yellows that evoke a sense of serenity and tranquility. Layer textiles such as wool, linen, and cotton to add warmth and texture to your space. From cozy throw blankets to plush area rugs, textile are key to creating a comfortable, inviting atmosphere. Hang framed botanical prints on the walls to bring a touch of nature indoors. These vintage inspired prints add charm and character to any room. Display collections of antique china or pottery to add personality and interest to your space. Whether it's a shelf of mismatched teacups or gallery wall of collections tell a story and add visual interest to your home. Install exposed wooden beams on the ceiling to add architectural interest and rustic charm. These beams bring warmth and character to any space. Opt for cozy seating options like overstuffed armchairs and plush sofas. Sink into soft cushions and relax in style with seating that's as comfortable as it is beautiful. Incorporate vintage-inspired lighting fixture for a nostalgic feel. From chandeliers to sconces, these fixture adds a touch of old-world charm to any room. Create a reading nook with a comfortable armchair and a floor lamp. Add a side table for books and cozy throw blankets for chilly nights. And you have got the perfect spot to curl up with a good book. Hang flowing curtains in floral or gingham patterns for quaint and cozy look. These curtains add privacy and soften the linens of your windows, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Bring in fresh flowers to add color and fragrance to your space. Whether it's vase of wildflowers on the dining table or a bouquet of roses on the mantel, fresh flowers brighten up any room and bring a touch of outdoor insight. Now that we have covered the basics, so in the living room, start by creating a cozy sitting area centered around a focal points like a fireplace or large windows. Choose furniture with classic English country style such as rolled arms, turned legs, and tufted upholstery. Look for pieces with carved details and distressed finishes for an authentic vintage look. Decorate the walls with the artwork and decorative accents that reflect the English country style. Hang framed botanical prints, landscape paintings, and vintage maps to add interest to the space. Bring nature indoors with potted plants and fresh flowers. Place plants on window sills, mantels, and side tables to add color and texture to the room. I hope you like today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.